Gua Sha tools have become a beauty essential for those seeking glowing skin, improved circulation, and relaxation. With their origins in traditional Chinese medicine, these tools are not just trendy but incredibly effective for lymphatic drainage, sculpting, and relieving tension. However, finding the right Gua Sha tool can be overwhelming with so many options available. In this video, we'll break down the top 5 Gua Sha tools, analyzing their features, usability, and durability. Let's find the perfect match for your skincare needs. Kicking off our list at number 1, Kitsch Gua Sha. The Kitsch Gua Sha tool is a stylish and functional skincare essential designed for daily use. Crafted from high-quality rose quartz, this tool not only offers physical benefits but also aligns with the soothing properties of the stone itself. Key features: this Gua Sha tool features a perfectly contoured design that fits every facial curve. The rose quartz material ensures a cooling effect that's ideal for calming puffiness and inflammation. Its lightweight and ergonomic structure make it easy to handle, providing a professional touch to your skincare routine. Benefits and usage: regular use of the Kitsch Gua Sha helps improve blood circulation, promote lymphatic drainage, and reduce tension in facial muscles. It's perfect for sculpting your jawline, reducing puffiness, and enhancing product absorption. For best results, use it after applying a facial oil or serum, gently gliding it across your face in upward motions. Usability: the Kitsch Gua Sha is beginner-friendly and suitable for all skin types. Its ergonomic shape ensures that it glides smoothly over the skin, making it an excellent choice for both quick treatments and more extended facial massages. Durability: made from durable rose quartz, this tool is designed to last. With proper care, including cleaning it after each use and storing it in the included pouch, it will remain a staple in your skincare routine for years. In the second spot, we have Gym Gua Sha. The Gym Gua Sha tool is a premium facial sculpting device designed for beauty enthusiasts. Made from authentic jade, it brings the traditional benefits of Gua Sha into modern skincare routines with precision and elegance. Key features: this tool boasts a sleek, hand-carved design that targets every facial contour. The cooling jade material helps calm irritated skin and reduce inflammation. Its thoughtful construction ensures a smooth and gentle glide, ideal for sensitive areas around the eyes and nose. Benefits and usage: the Gym Gua Sha is effective in improving elasticity, reducing fine lines, and depuffing the face. It's also excellent for relaxing facial muscles after a long day. Pair it with a hydrating serum or oil, and glide it along your cheekbones, jawline, and forehead for optimal results. Usability: designed for ease of use, the Gym Gua Sha works well for both beginners and advanced users. Its compact size makes it easy to handle, allowing for precise strokes across all facial areas. Durability: crafted from robust jade, this Gua Sha tool is both beautiful and durable. Regular cleaning and mindful storage will keep it in pristine condition, ensuring long-term use without wear or tear. Coming in at number 3 is the Wild & Wolf Gua Sha. The Wild & Wolf Gua Sha is an innovative tool that merges traditional Gua Sha techniques with modern design. Made from stainless steel, this tool offers a unique alternative to stone options, focusing on durability and performance. Key features: the stainless steel material is hypoallergenic, making it ideal for sensitive skin types. Its sleek design features smooth edges and precision contours to target all facial areas effectively. The tool's weight provides just the right amount of pressure for an efficient massage. Benefits and usage: the Wild & Wolf Gua Sha is perfect for relieving muscle tension, reducing puffiness, and enhancing skin elasticity. Its stainless steel surface stays naturally cool, providing an invigorating experience. Use it with your favorite oil or serum, gliding it gently across your face to achieve a radiant complexion. Usability: its modern design and ergonomic shape make the Wild & Wolf Gua Sha incredibly easy to use. The balanced weight ensures controlled strokes, making it suitable for both quick treatments and more detailed facial massages. Durability: built from high-quality stainless steel, this tool is practically indestructible. It's resistant to breakage and easy to clean, ensuring long-lasting performance with minimal maintenance. Taking our fourth spot is Sachi Gua Sha. The Sachi Gua Sha is a luxurious skincare tool designed for those seeking a holistic approach to beauty. Made from obsidian stone, it combines ancient healing properties with effective facial sculpting techniques. Key features: this Gua Sha tool features a unique design with multiple edges for versatile use. The obsidian material is known for its grounding and detoxifying properties, making it ideal for soothing inflamed skin. Its matte finish ensures a smooth glide over the face, enhancing comfort during use. Benefits and usage: the Sachi Gua Sha helps improve circulation, promote lymphatic drainage, and release tension in facial muscles. It's particularly effective for contouring the jawline and cheekbones. For best results, use it with a facial oil, applying gentle pressure and moving in upward motions. Usability: the tool's ergonomic design makes it easy to hold and maneuver, even for beginners. Its multiple edges allow you to target specific facial areas with precision, offering a tailored skincare experience. Durability: crafted from sturdy obsidian, the Sachi Gua Sha is built to last. Proper care, including regular cleaning and mindful storage, will keep it in excellent condition for years of use. And finally, at number 5, we have Baimei Gua Sha. The Baimei Gua Sha is an affordable yet effective option for anyone looking to incorporate Gua Sha into their skincare routine. Made from natural jade, this tool offers a classic design and reliable performance. Key features: this Gua Sha tool features a simple, smooth design that's easy to use on all facial contours. The jade material provides a cooling sensation, reducing puffiness and calming the skin. It also comes with a lightweight structure, making it perfect for on-the-go use. Benefits and usage: the Baimei Gua Sha enhances blood circulation, reduces facial puffiness, and improves skin tone. Use it as part of your morning routine to depuff your face or at night to relax your muscles. Pair it with a hydrating serum for a seamless experience. Usability: the straightforward design of the Baimei Gua Sha makes it user-friendly for all experience levels. Its lightweight build ensures comfortable handling, allowing for smooth, even strokes across the face. Durability: made from authentic jade, this tool is durable and easy to maintain. Regular cleaning and safe storage will ensure that it remains a long-lasting part of your beauty regimen. Gua Sha tools are a fantastic way to elevate your skincare routine, offering both relaxation and visible results. Whether you prefer the luxurious feel of the Sachi Gua Sha or the practicality of the Baimei Gua Sha, each of these top 5 tools brings unique benefits to the table. Incorporate one into your routine to experience improved circulation, reduced puffiness, and radiant skin. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews and beauty tips.